Hi everybody, welcome to the another brand new trading strategy tutorial. In this tutorial, I going to show you the most profitable parabolic SAR indicator trading strategy. This is one of the most profitable trading strategy that works on all kinds of trading platforms like stock, forex, crypto, option and others. So let's get started. This strategy I using two indicator combination. One is parabolic SAR and two is 200 EMA. So now I want to add parabolic SAR and later I will add 200 EMA. So first I go indicator and from here right here parabolic SAR and simply add this indicator. So now I have to change some setting for visual more perfectly. So I simply go the SAR indicator setting and from here I simply change the ball thickness and also change the symbol plus to circle. Alright, so now simply OK. The parabolic SAR indicator doing good job for generate entry and exit signal. This indicator provide two types of dot, above and below the candle. If the dot below of the candle, that means it's going to happen a uptrend, and if the dot above of the candle, that means it's going to be happen a downtrend. The common problem with this strategy, when people see the first dot above the candle and they take a short position. Also when they see the first dot below the candle, they take long position. But you have to remember this process only work for trading market. And a horrible thing is that the market 30% of time stay trending and the 70% of time stay ranging, and the parabolic SAR don't able to fill the trending market. Also the parabolic SAR provide false signal when the market is staying sideways or ranging. And another problem, in this chart you can see the parabolic SAR below the candle. That means it's going to a uptrend. But if you look at the previous chart history, it was totally long downtrend, and if you take a buy position here after see the first candle, that means you are going to trade overall the trending market, and this is also very risky. So let's see. You can see it's a totally downtrend. So now I just add second indicator 200 EMA for protect the some unwanted trade. So I just go indicator and simply write here EMA, and I will find a indicator name is moving average expansional. So I simply click here and the default EMA length is 9, so I have to change this EMA length to 200. So I simply go input and from here simply change the length to 200. Okay, so now I have to change the style to for more visibility. So I just go style and change this color to white, and also I have to change the thickness. I simply change the thickness, okay, and simply okay to save. So now if the price above the 200 EMA, it's indicated the long-term trend is up, and if the price below the 200 EMA, it's indicate the long-term trend is going to down. This is the secret thing. For example, the price is now above 200 EMA, that means it's going to be a uptrend, and during that time we just take long position, and if the price below 200 EMA, we just take short position. So in this chart you can see price is right now above 200 EMA, also parabolic SAR below the candle, that means it's going to be a uptrend. So this is our entry point, and let's see what's happened. So you can see the indicator worked nicely. So let's go to the short position. In this chart, the price is below the 200 EMA, also the parabolic SAR above of the candle, that means I have to take a short position. So this is our entry signal, and let's see what's happened. You can see the parabolic SAR gives a good signal perfectly. So let's introduce with the exit strategy. In this chart you can see the price is above 200 EMA and also the parabolic SAR below the candle. That means it's going to be a uptrend. So we just enter here and let's see what's happened. The parabolic SAR provide a good signal. Also you can see the parabolic SAR indicator is switched to above of candle. That means it's going to happen a downtrend. So this is your profit target. But you can see the parabolic SAR changed to switches the position delay. For that you have to chance of some loss. So there has also a better way to exit. Instead of waiting switch it, you can set the stop loss on last parabolic SAR indicator and the profit target 1.70% from your stop loss. And let's see. And you can see it's another successful trade. And also if you use stop loss on your parabolic SAR and somehow if the trade is failed, it has a chance to a big amount loss. So before using this strategy you should have must risk management knowledge. So next strategy with the parabolic SAR, you can find a hidden parabolic SAR divergence, and the parabolic SAR divergence is a very profitable trading strategy. So first, what is a parabolic SAR divergence? The parabolic SAR divergence is if the price is going to opposite direction of the indicator. This is a parabolic SAR divergence. Let me show you example. For find a parabolic SAR divergence easily, you should change the chart type to line, and you can see the parabolic SAR indicate it's going to downtrend, but the trend line is uptrend. This is parabolic SAR divergence. So let's see another parabolic divergence. So you can see the price is indicate the downtrend, but the parabolic SAR indicate uptrend. This is another parabolic SAR divergence. Also parabolic SAR has a two type of divergence. One is bullish parabolic SAR divergence and another one is bearish parabolic SAR hidden divergence. The bullish parabolic SAR hidden divergence confirm the continuation of uptrend, and the bearish parabolic SAR hidden divergence confirm that the continuous of the downtrend. So how do you know the divergence is bullish or bearish? If the price indicate to uptrend and the parabolic SAR indicate to downtrend, this is bullish parabolic SAR divergence, and the price line going to downtrend but the parabolic SAR showing uptrend, it's bearish parabolic SAR hidden divergence. So now you have to waiting for the parabolic SAR confirmation. Once the confirmation happen, you have to check the all condition. So I just go back with chart pattern and you can see the price is below 200 EMA. Also the parabolic bearish, also bearish parabolic SAR divergence happen, and we will find the confirmation for short position. And let's see, it counts as another successful trade. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any question you can comment below, and if you want to get more useful trading strategy and want to make profitable trade, you can subscribe the channel. So as always, thanks for watching. See you with you in next one.